have just started chapter number 7 and name of the chapter, yes, fraction. And we learned about what is the fraction. Yes, what is the fraction? It is a part of a whole, and we learned types of fraction: proper fraction, improper fraction, like fraction, unlike fraction, unit fraction, mixed fraction, and how to convert improper fraction into mixed fraction and mixed fraction into improper fraction. Today we will learn one more type of fraction, equivalent fraction. Today we will learn equivalent fractions. See students, look at these rectangles. Look at these rectangles. All rectangles are of the same shape and size. सबकी shape मतलब it means they are in horizontal way. Shape और size सबका same है, but each rectangle has been divided into different parts. सभी rectangles different parts में divide किए गए हैं. Okay, now I am going to shade some parts. See, the first and now the second. Now third, fourth. Okay, now tell me the fraction for the shaded part. Fraction for the shaded part for the first rectangle. What will be the fraction for the first rectangle? Yes, how many parts? Total parts are there? 2. So denominator will be 2. And how many parts are shaded? 1. So fraction will be 1/2. Now come to the second one. How many total parts are there? Equal parts? Yes, 4. And how many shaded parts are there? 2. Then fraction will be 2/4. Now see the third one. How many equal parts are there? Of this rectangle, how many equal parts are there? Yes, 6. And how many shaded parts are there? 3. So students, fraction for the shaded part is 3/6. Now see the fourth one. Okay, tell me the total number of equal parts of this rectangle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and how many parts are shaded? 4. So fraction will be 4/8. See the first rectangle, the fraction for the shaded part 1/2. The second one is 2/4. Third one is 3/6. Next fourth one is 4/8. See, all these fractions represent the half of the rectangle. सभी की सभी जो fractions हैं 1/2, 2/4, 3/6 and 4/8. These all represent half of the rectangle. ये सभी किसको represent कर रही हैं? Half of the rectangle. Whether they has been divided into different parts. चाहे वो different parts में divided की गई हैं, but they represent the same part of the rectangle. So these type of the fractions are called equivalent fraction. Now you can say the fractions, two or more fraction which represent the same part of the whole. Two or more fraction which shows, or you can say represent the same part of the whole, are called equivalent fraction. So 1/2 equal to 2/4 equal to 3/6 and equal to 4/8. Okay, clear? It means these are the equivalent fraction. Got it? Okay students, now we will learn how to form equivalent fractions. कि equivalent fractions कैसे find out कर सकते हैं, कैसे form कर सकते हैं? By multiplying or dividing numerator and the denominator with the same number except 0 or 1. 0 और 1 को छोड़ के किसी भी नंबर से हम मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हैं, देन यू कैन फाइंड द इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शन. सी, look at this example. Suppose I am having the fraction 3 by 4. 3 by 4, and you have to find the 3 equivalent fraction. Your question is write its 3 equivalent fraction. So what will be the process? We will multiply by the same number with numerator as well as denominator. So 3 2s are 6, 4 2s are 8. This is the first one. Now we have to find the 3 equivalent. Now again 3 by 4 multiply by 3 3. Yes, 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12. Next 3 by 4. Now I am going to multiply by 4 4. Yes, 3 4s are 12, 4 4s are 16. So students, equivalent fractions of 3 by 4. 3 by 4 की कौन कौन सी हमने इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शंस निकाली है? 6 by 8, 9 by 12 and 12 by 16. And these are first three. These are the first 3 equivalent fraction of 3 by 4. Otherwise you can multiply by with any number. आप किसी भी नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हैं, but if your question is asking first 3, then you have to start with the 2 2, then 3 3 and 4 4. Okay? Because when we are going to multiply by the 1 1, we will get the same fraction, and we have to find the equivalent. Okay? Okay. Look at one more example. Your question is write first 4 equivalent fraction of 7 by 11. Now what is the fraction is given? Which fraction is given? 7 by 11. And you have to write the first 4 equivalent. So what we have to do? And I am telling you this process of the multiplication. Because how can we find the equivalent fraction, students? By the multiplying or by dividing denominator and numerator by the same number. Okay, numerator और denominator को same number से या तो multiply करेंगे या हम divide करेंगे. See, this is the 7 by 11. Now I am going to multiply. First of all by 2 2. So 7 2s are 40, 11 2s are 22. The next multiply by 3 3. 7 3s are 21 and 11 3s are 33. Next 7 by 11 multiply by 4 4. 7 4s are 28 and 11 4s are 44. We have to find first 4. These are the 3. It means we have to find one more. 7 by 11 multiply by 5 5. 7 5s are 35 and 11 5s are 55. So students, equivalent fractions of 7 by 11 are which are? Yes, 14 by 22, 21 by 33, 28 by 44 and 35 by 55. This is your answer. Now this concept is clear. How to form or how to find equivalent fraction by the multiplication. Now see, look at this example. We have fraction 8 by 12 and we have to find the equivalent fraction. हमें equivalent fraction करना है. Now I will tell you how can we find by dividing numerator and denominator with the same number. Same number how can we say? We have to take the number which is the common factor of 8 and 12. जो 8 और 12 का common factor है उसी से हम divide करेंगे. See, the number is 8 by 12. Yes, and 12 is also will go on the table of 2. So I will divide by 2 2. Yes, when I divide 8 by 2 I got 4, and when I divide 12 by 2 I got 6. So students, 4 by 6 is also equivalent to the 8 by 12. Now I have a 4 by 6. You can divide 8 by 12 by 4 4 also, because 4 is also common. Okay, see, now I am going to divide by 4 4. Yes, when I divide 8 by 4 I got 2, and when I divide 12 by 4 I got 3. So 2 by 3 is also equivalent to the 8 by 12. This is the formation of the equivalent fraction by dividing numerator and denominator with the common factors of numerator and denominator. मतलब कि न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर के जो कॉमन फैक्टर है उससे डिवाइड करके भी आप इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शंस फाइंड आउट कर सकते हो. ओके ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ वी विल लर्न हाउ टू चेक द गिवन फ्रैक्शंस आर इक्विवेलेंट. जो फ्रैक्शंस हमें दी हुई है, आर दिस इक्विवेलेंट और नॉट, कि वो इक्विवेलेंट हैं या नहीं. हाउ कैन वी चेक? We can check the given fractions are equivalent or not by the cross multiplication. See how? I will explain you with this with the help of example. See, I have a fraction 2 by 4 and 3 by 6. You have to check, are these equivalent or not? क्या equivalent है या नहीं है? So cross multiplication, it means you have to put in this way. So see the first 2 multiply by 6. 2 multiply by 6. See the numerator here 3, and 3 is going to multiply with 4. See, 2 6 are 12, 3 4s are 12. Both product are same. If product is same, which we getting after the cross multiplication, then you can say that given fractions are equivalent. Now see, the product is same. This is also okay. So we will write 2 by 4 equivalent to 3 by 6. Now look at one more example. Fractions are 2 by 13 and 4 by 39. So what is our step? First of all, we have to do the cross multiplication. Cross multiplication means you have to put the sign of cross. See that this 2 is going to multiply by, yes, 2 into 39, and this 4 into 13. Okay, multiply 39 by 2. Yes, I got 78. When I multiply 39 by 2, I got 78. Now we have to multiply 4 by 13. 13 4s are 52. See, products are different. See, after the cross multiplication, we got product different. So you can say the given fraction, it means 2 by 13 not equal to, equal, then I am going to put this type of thing. These are not equivalent to 4 by 39. Is it clear? How can we check the given fraction are equivalent or not? By the cross multiplications. Okay students, now please take out your maths book and open the exercise 7.2, and today we will do only two questions, question number 3 and question number 4. See the question number 3. The question number 3 is asking, write the fraction which is equivalent to given fraction. It means you have to write the 3 equivalent fraction of the given fraction, and by the multiplication, it is already given, you have to write the equivalent fraction using the multiplication method. And see the A part, the given fraction is 1 by 7. Then how can we find? Yes, what we have to do students? Yes, we will multiply by 2 2, then 3 3 and 4 4, because we have to find 3 equivalent fraction. Okay, now 2 ones are 2, 7 twos are 14, 3 ones are 3, 7 threes are 21, how to check the given fractions are equivalent or not.